No, I can't move.
Come on, throw it in.
Alright. Dang! Oh, y'all, you didn't see that. There it goes. Bruh, are we serious?
I think it's decreased.
Oh, wait. Hold up. We don't got guns. Alright, dodge that, dodge that. Dodge it, dodge it. Ow, 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 my HP. Hey, I might die low key. Oh my. I'm gonna be back. Yeah, move him back in. Zombies are too much. Me. Yep, caught it. I can't move. Yeah, I couldn't move. I'm gonna start the fire.
You know what? I'm gonna use something called
I don't know how we're gonna do this. I'm gonna die. Oh, what he's wondering.
where the lake was frozen.
Like good. Back up. Oh crap, my bad. That's why I said back up. No, I can't move. Dang, he has a lot of HP. What the hell? Hey, watch out! Wait, he's gonna throw that at me. No, he's not. Never mind. Okay, I mean, look at his health bar. I did a little bit. Oh, we killed him. We killed him. Okay, that's great. What did you drop?
Yeah, come back. Come.
Was that it?
Yep. This is what he dropped. This is what he dropped right here.
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Oh, he
Give me one
dropped
of
three. He
those.
dropped three.
Here. Oh.
Die.
Oh, you want this one? Or you want me to have it?
Does this do damage to other enemies or like?
Does that do damage to
Okay,
you?
what is this? What is this?
Oh, it's that. It's the drugs. Like, drank it.
Oh, it does a ton of damage.
Does it? I mean, these things don't have that much HP, so you probably just go test it on Nah, I don't even know who to test it on.
I'm gonna retrieve my light.
Yeah, I would also get those.